Today is day 4 for my Bonne Maman advent calendar. Let's see what is behind door number 4. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Here it is on the left side in the middle. The door says be merry. And we have cherry pink peppercorn spread. I've never had one like this before. It is a beautiful dark burgundy color. Let's taste it. These cherries are somewhat tart, and you do get a hint of pepper. I feel like this would be good on something savory. Today I'm going to try a cherry chicken salad, and this is the chicken I'm using. It is canned chicken. If I had some leftover chicken in my refrigerator, I would use that. I'm using the can because I've had this in my pantry for a while. Here's the canned chicken. I'm just going to cut it up a little bit. Canned chicken can be a bit salty, so I think that it could be a good balance with the sweeter fruit spread. And this fruit spread isn't overly sweet or anything. So that looks good. I'm adding a little bit of diced celery. Maybe that's like 1 or 2 tablespoons. I really didn't measure it. And I'm going to add some chopped almonds. I just chopped up about 8 almonds. I don't have any mayonnaise, so I'm going to use the fruit spread. Probably around half of this fruit spread, or should I use the whole thing? I'll use the whole thing. We're going to put all of this fruit spread in. And let's see how this mixes. If I had mayonnaise, I would put a little bit of mayonnaise in here. I'm just working with what I have today. I think it looks really good like this. But I do have heavy cream in the house, so I think I'm going to add just a little bit of heavy cream to this. Now I'm going to taste this. I probably could just eat it like this or on some lettuce, but my goal was to make a nice slice of toasted sourdough bread and eat this on the toasted sourdough. But I'm going to taste it first. That is really good. It tastes like a sweet chicken salad. I'm not a big fan of mayo to begin with, so I'm not missing mayo at all. It really tastes nice with the cherry, the peppercorn, the celery, and of course the chicken itself is a bit salty. The only thing I wish is that I had a little bit more of this cherry fruit spread to put in here. Because even though it's good, it would be even better with a little bit more of it. Here's my cherry chicken salad on a slice of toasted sourdough bread. This looks really good. Let's give this a taste. I have to say it's better on the toast than it is plain. For some reason, it really brings out the sweetness of the fruit spread. And the combination of all the ingredients works really well together. So I'm definitely going to be happy eating this for lunch today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with our daily jams from our Bonne Maman advent calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.